Blockchain technology is transforming global supply chains by providing unprecedented transparency and efficiency. It streamlines operations, reduces costs, and minimizes errors across industries. This innovation has the potential to unlock as much as $500 billion in savings worldwide. Chapter 1: The Supply Chain Crisis Exposed. Behind every product you buy lies a complex web of inefficiencies costing businesses and consumers trillions annually. The time for transformation is now. Global supply chains lose $1 trillion annually due to inefficiencies, fraud, delays, and lack of transparency. Transportation waste alone accounts for 20% of physical shipping costs, highlighting systemic resource mismanagement. These inefficiencies affect complex networks spanning multiple stakeholders and regions. The lack of visibility and accountability erodes trust between partners and consumers. Addressing these issues is critical to unlocking operational efficiency and safeguarding supply chain integrity. Invisible costs crippling global trade. Every delayed shipment, lost container, and manual verification represents hidden costs that accumulate into billions in wasted resources. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed the fragility of global supply chains, revealing a fundamental lack of transparency and resilience. Businesses were left blind to critical vulnerabilities, unable to respond effectively to disruptions. Consumers experienced widespread shortages of essential goods, from toilet paper to electronics. These shortages highlighted the cascading effects of supply chain failures on daily life. Companies incurred billions in losses due to delays, errors, and operational inefficiencies. The crisis underscored the urgent need for more transparent, agile, and resilient supply chain systems. Chapter 2: Blockchain is revolutionizing supply chains by transforming opaque and inefficient networks into transparent, automated systems. This technology enables unprecedented operational efficiency and visibility. Blockchain reduces supply chain costs by eliminating intermediaries and manual verification, streamlining operations across the network. Automated smart contracts cut administrative expenses by 42%, removing human error and processing delays. Trade finance processing times are accelerated by 81%, enabling faster cash flow and lower working capital needs. These efficiencies collectively optimize end-to-end supply chain performance. Businesses benefit from more predictable operations and reduced operational risk. According to CoinLaw 2025 research, these combined gains deliver transformative cost reductions across global supply networks. Blockchain implementation in the pharmaceutical industry could generate $218 billion in annual savings. It enhances supply chain efficiency by streamlining tracking, compliance, and regulatory reporting. The technology combats counterfeit drugs, reducing fraud and protecting patient safety. Blockchain also increases transparency across the entire pharmaceutical network. Overall, it drives both financial and operational improvements for the industry. Nearly half, 46%, of North American supply chain firms have adopted blockchain solutions. These implementations significantly improve risk visibility, with a 48% enhancement in real-time transparency across networks. Transaction accuracy has also increased by 38%, reducing costly errors and disputes. Blockchain enables firms to monitor operations more effectively, creating safer and more reliable supply chains. Early adopters are seeing measurable operational and financial benefits from this technology. The trend signals growing mainstream acceptance of blockchain in supply chain management. Real-time visibility transforms opaque supply chains into transparent, trustworthy networks where every transaction is recorded and verifiable. The blockchain market is projected to reach $3.27 billion in 2025 and soar to $21.29 billion by 2029. This growth represents a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of nearly 60%, fueled by rapid enterprise adoption and increasing trust in blockchain for supply chain applications. Asia Pacific is leading this expansion with a 59% CAGR, driven by substantial technology investments and supportive government initiatives. Businesses worldwide are recognizing blockchain's potential to enhance transparency, efficiency, and security across complex networks. Enterprise investment in blockchain infrastructure and platforms is accelerating to capitalize on these benefits. The market trajectory underscores blockchain's emergence as a critical technology for modern supply chain transformation. Chapter 3. Blockchain is driving tangible transformations across multiple industries, from government programs to agriculture. These implementations are enhancing transparency, efficiency, and trust. The technology's success signals a clear path forward for broader adoption worldwide. Dubai's blockchain vision is delivering massive economic and operational benefits. The Emirates blockchain strategy digitizes 50% of all government transactions, boosting efficiency across public services. By saving 398 million printed documents annually, the initiative reduces environmental impact and cuts processing costs. Automation and streamlined blockchain processes eliminate 77 million work hours each year. These measures collectively generate an estimated $3 billion in annual savings. Dubai's approach showcases how proactive government leadership can drive large-scale efficiency gains across entire economic ecosystems. By 2025, 30% of agriculture and food supply chains are expected to adopt blockchain technology. This enables immutable traceability, allowing the complete product journey from farm to consumer to be securely tracked. Contaminated products can be instantly identified and isolated, ensuring rapid recall response and protecting public health. Blockchain also automates verification of organic and fair trade certifications, enhancing trust and compliance. Overall, these capabilities improve transparency, safety, and efficiency across the food supply chain. Smart contracts and tokenization are transforming supply chains by automating workflows, boosting efficiency by 60%, and eliminating manual bottlenecks and errors. Automated logistics and payment systems streamline operations, reducing delays and operational costs. Smallholder farmers benefit from direct market access, blockchain incentives, and tokenized rewards, increasing their income by 20%. Self-executing smart contracts automatically trigger payments and updates, ensuring timely and accurate transactions. Tokenization introduces innovative economic models that promote sustainability and fair compensation. Overall, these technologies enhance efficiency, inclusion, and transparency across global supply networks. The transformation from paper-based processes to blockchain-enabled digital platforms represents a quantum leap in supply chain efficiency and transparency. Blockchain adoption presents a hidden opportunity of over $500 billion in annual savings across multiple industries, including pharmaceuticals, agriculture, manufacturing, and logistics. These savings stem from reducing inefficiencies, fraud, and delays throughout complex supply networks. Transparency and automation are central to unlocking this value, streamlining operations at every stage. By digitizing and securing transactions, blockchain minimizes human error and eliminates costly intermediaries. The technology also enhances trust and accountability among all supply chain participants. Overall, blockchain offers a transformative pathway to unprecedented operational efficiency and cross-sector cost reduction. Overcoming blockchain adoption challenges requires the development of unified digital platforms that seamlessly connect all supply chain participants. Establishing cross-industry standards is essential for interoperability and secure data sharing. Scalability solutions must address performance limitations and integrate with existing legacy systems. The blockchain supply chain ecosystem is growing rapidly, with over 30% year-over-year expansion in platforms and solutions. Increasing collaboration among industry players and stakeholders supports broader adoption and effective implementation. Together, these efforts are paving the way for widespread, efficient, and secure blockchain integration across global supply chains. 82% of executives anticipate a positive ROI from blockchain within 2 years. Early adoption provides organizations with a significant competitive edge. Blockchain enhances operational efficiency and streamlines processes. It strengthens resilience against disruptions across supply chains. Additionally, it builds greater customer trust in an increasingly transparent marketplace. Blockchain is transforming supply chains by providing complete transparency across all transactions and participants. Automated processes drive efficiency, eliminating waste and speeding operations. These innovations generate unprecedented cost savings, potentially totaling hundreds of billions annually. The technology enables real-time tracking, verification, and accountability throughout the supply network. Businesses that adopt early gain a competitive advantage in operational excellence and market responsiveness. The $500 billion blockchain revolution is underway, challenging leaders to decide whether to lead or follow. Please like, subscribe, and join me in the next video.